Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Brain Boosters with Raghavendra. So in this video I'm gonna talk about some facts about birds. So let's get started. The fact number 1 is that ostriches have the largest eyes in any mammal on land. The fact number 2 is that the longest feathers ever seen were on a chicken in Japan. Its tail feather measured 34.7 feet and that is 10.59 meters long. Fact number 3 is that the sword-billed hummingbird is the only bird with a bill longer than its body. The fact number 4 is that the most talkative bird in the world is the African grey parrot. One parrot could say over 800 words, whereas most species of parrot can learn only 50. Fact number 5 is that the Japanese crested ibis is one of the rarest birds in the world. Probably fewer than 50 crested ibises are alive today. The fact number 6 is that though it looks like a bird's knee is bending backward, what is bending backward is actually its ankle. Below its ankle is an extended foot bone, leading to the toes. A bird's real knee is usually hidden by the feathers. Fact number 7 is that the heaviest bird of prey is the Andean condor. It can weigh up to 27 lakh and that is 12 kgs. Fact number 8 is that the ostrich is the only bird that willingly takes care of other females' eggs. The fact number 9 is that the fastest flying bird in a dive is the Peregrine Falcon. Its average speed of over 110 miles per hour and that is 180 kilometers per hour. The fact number 10 and the final fact is that the most dangerous bird in the world is the cassowary. With one kick it can kill its enemy. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like this, and if you like this don't forget to like and share my video, and to see more videos like this please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.